Okay, let's start. Hello, everyone. I'm Eleftherios Anagnostopoulos. I'm the Sports Betting Development Director of INTRALOT, and today we're going to talk about our latest sports betting platform, Orion. First of all, an intro about us. INTRALOT is a technology-based company which was established in 1992, and today is considered as a global leader in lottery, sports betting, and gaming industries. Currently, we have presence in 39 regulated jurisdictions, and our current workforce is around 1.7 thousand employees. Even though INTRALOT has many tools in lottery and gaming as well, today we will focus only on sports betting. Orion was launched in 2018 and currently operates in retail shops and digital and mobile applications. Currently, we have 4 productions in Europe and the United States of America, and next August, we're going to have our next production in Canada. Currently, we support 70 sports, and on a daily basis, we offer around 1.5K sports events and 300K selections which are offered for betting. On days with high traffic, such as weekends, for example, we receive around 1 million place bet selections per production, and on average, for pre-game bet placement, we have 70 milliseconds of time. Let's see some basic journeys inside our platform. First of all, we have our offering, which is consisted of sports events and selections. We integrate with sports data providers, which we call them feeders. We also apply some algorithms in the data that we receive, and we offer the events for pre-game and live betting. Also, on the other hand, we have bets, which come from clients inside our platform, and bets get placed. They can be updated, either with edit bet or cash-out functionalities. And of course, the get results get settled and get paid. Regarding our users, first of all, we got players which register into our system, place bets, make deposits actually first, place bets, get winnings, and transfer their winnings from our internal wallet to their external wallets through withdrawals. We also have retailers which represent retail shops, and through their terminals, we can make placements, payments, and cancellations. Finally, we've got the operators of the platform, which we call traders. These actually users monitor both the offering and the betting activity of the platform. They do user management, risk management, and also deal with reports. Based on the above flows, we can see some key components inside our platform. First of all, regarding offering, as we said, we have components with integration with sports betting data providers. We have also developed our own algorithms in order to process this data, create new markets, and provide more realistic prices. And we also have components for content management and also content distribution. Regarding betting, we have Bet Engine, the settlement engine, of course, and components for bonus and cash-out functionalities. Regarding operations, we got a set of trading tools, and we also offer tools for user management, risk management, and reporting. Also, we have our wallets. Both players and retailers have internal wallets inside our system, and we have integration with external wallets and payment providers. Our clients are actually retail terminals, digital and mobile applications. And regarding our data, we have databases for offering and betting data. We also keep data that we receive from feeders, and we also keep our own statistics in order to process them and provide better algorithms. Let's see some of the key requirements from our platform. First of all, we need to have rich content, which means have many betting options for players, and also some betting functionalities will attract the interest of the players. Rich content means more bets and more traffic to the system. Apart from having rich content, we also need to have reliability. A betting platform has a lot of financial transactions, so both players and traders should trust you that everything will go as expected. Performance is also a key factor. and usually it's the sector where most betting platforms have problems. Sports events, which are usually live, are getting updates every second, so it's really important to have a platform which has great performance in order to avoid having delays for the players and also receive late bets, which later could increase your risk liability and have problems inside the system. Stability is also really important because operators need the platform to operate 24/7. And finally, security, since we handle both personal and financial data, and also we need to comply with many rules and regulations, either global or per project. Some of the best practices we applied while developing Orion. First of all, regarding scalability, we have developed a scalable microservice architecture, and it is really easy for us to scale either vertically or horizontally. Also, regarding performance, we have put a lot of attention in load balancing, and when we talk about load balancing, we don't only mean for traffic, but also tasks inside our system, which are getting distributed in several services so as to have better processing. For example, imagine the process of settling the bets of an event. We split them into batches, and we serve them among the settlement servers that we have. Same for content distribution. We assign our sports events, each event, into one of our content management servers and content sending servers, and we make sure that each server has the same number of events all the time. We have also used distributed caching. Actually, all of our content, apart from betting and financial transactions, is cached, and this has given us great performance and reduced database load. We are trying hard to avoid bottlenecks and to use the right technology per each component. We have also optimized our database. First of all, we have separate databases for betting and offering data. We have also used partitioning for tables which have high volumes of data. And we use indexing inside our queries. And whenever it is available, we use partitioning as well. Also, we use replica databases for actions which need, for read actions, usually on betting data, which need a lot of resources in order to avoid moving traffic to our master databases. Regarding stability, we have applied active monitoring. We have also distributed workload. We try to avoid single points of failure, and we also have disaster recovery plans for every failure that we have in production. Some of the strengths of Orion. First of all, it's really important for us that we have kept one product, even though we have many production deployments. Also, we are proud that our platform can operate the same both on retail channels and also on digital and mobile applications. This is quite hard, since usually most of the platforms are really good in digital or mobile betting, but it's really hard to combine betting in three channels. Also, we are cloud compatible. We have productions which are on premises, and we have 3 productions right now which are on Microsoft Azure, and our next production will be on AWS. We also have integration with multiple sports betting data providers. This is quite important because we receive data, specific data for specific providers, and this is important because some providers are specialized in specific markets or for live betting, for example. As we said, we have developed our own algorithms and keep our own statistics, and we have also developed our own bet builder functionality. We also offer great risk management tools, and we have implemented many tools which are for worst-case scenario recovery, and these are quite important in case we have serious incidents in production. Regarding our technologies, first of all, our development, Orion is implemented mostly in Java Spring. We have also used Python and R for our math algorithms. We have React and Node.js for our front-end applications. Our main databases are in PostgreSQL. We have an implementation of ScyllaDB that we use in order to keep data from our feeders. Our front-end uses RethinkDB, and we also have InfluxDB in order to keep our metrics. For caching, we have used both Hazelcast, Ignite, and some implementation of Guava that we use. For communication among servers, we use Kafka and Apache Artemis, and we also use gRPC for internal communication between the servers. And also for external APIs, we use REST. For load balancing regarding traffic, we use HubProxy and Nginx, and we also use Consul in order for internal load balancing. As monitoring tools, we have CheckMK, Grafana, Kibana, and Elasticsearch. Our next steps, generally, we are really happy with the level of our product so far. Currently, we are working on some new features in order to improve the user experience of players. We are also focused on providing some new bonuses inside our application. And we are currently investigating the possibility of applying AI inside our algorithms. We are also focused on upgrading our technology. And also, as I said, our main plan is to increase our productions, since we are currently really satisfied with the product that we have. And 6 years now in productions, we don't have serious incidents. That was it. Thank you all. And I'm open for your questions. Questions? Okay. Thank you all.